everyone, my name is Pritantina Yuni Lestari.
And I'm Isnaini Nur Safitri. We are from State Politeknik of Malang. In this special occasion, we are going to talk about our research entitled Optimizing Learning Management System or LMS to teach English grammar. This presentation will be divided into 5 parts. First is background of the study. Second, review of previous research. Third, research method. The fourth, results and discussion. And the last will be conclusion. Well, now we come to the first part of this presentation, that is the background of the study. Why did we actually come to this study? It was in the middle of March that suddenly there was COVID-19 outbreak in Indonesia. There were some people affected by the virus, and it spread like wildfire to some regions in Indonesia. Knowing that conditions, the government announced a notice that all people should stay at home, working from home, and studying from home. These situations finally affected all aspects in life. One most is education. Students who previously could go to school and campus, they should study from home. Since that, the teaching and learning process must be conducted online. The teachers who had prepared the offline learning should switch the online one. And teaching English grammar is not easy if it is done online. There are many online platforms that teachers can choose to teach English grammar. But finally, we choose LMS or Learning Management System to teach English grammar since it offers many features and students can do more exercises there. The second part of this research is previous research. Alizadeh 2019 said that LMS brings many educational gains for the students and the teacher as well, and it can improve students' learning engagement and upgrade their interaction with the teacher. And then Sri Chanya Son 2014 said that LMS is a useful tool supporting the English learning, but traditional learning is more useful. Furthermore, Rimanova et al. 2015 said that the use of Moodle for ELT can effectively engage students in learning, but it affects the teachers to have extra work preparing the online teaching and learning. And then Punjarian et al. 2017 said that using Moodle's LMS can significantly improve the knowledge of English grammar and paragraph writing skills. The next part of this presentation is research method. This research is descriptive qualitative research. It was done from March to May 2020. It was done to 55 students taking Structure 2 as their subject. And then the data were collected by using questionnaire. And the data were analyzed by using descriptive analysis.
After conducting the survey to 55 students taking Structure 2 lesson, It was found that 27% of the students strongly agree that the use of LMS is beneficial to study the lesson, while 46% of the students agree that the use of the LMS is beneficial to study the lesson. 22% of the students states fair, and the other 3% of the students disagree that the use of LMS is beneficial to study the lesson. Then, the rest 1% of the students strongly disagree about the use of LMS is beneficial to study the lesson. Okay, from the chart, it can be seen that the most of the students agree with the statement stating about the benefits of LMS to study the lesson. It means that the use of LMS can help them to study the lesson well. They enjoy using LMS in studying structured 2 lessons. The module, PPT file, and the video uploaded in the LMS can also solve their problem in doing the assignment from the lecturer. And the next result is the use of quiz feature in LMS. 25% of the students strongly agree that the quiz is helpful. And the other 41% of the students agree that the quiz is helpful. And then 25% of the students stated fair. And the rest 8% of the students stated the quiz feature is not useful. And from the data, we can know that the student stated that the benefits of the quiz features in LMS is about how they can know the answer directly after submitting the quiz. It will make them satisfied if the answer is true and stay motivated to study harder. And it was also found the perception of the student about LMS versus real class. Besides all of the benefits of LMS and its features, the students still find difficulties related to the internet connection and time management. So they prefer to study in the class because they are able to keep in touch with the teacher and the students. They can have discussion with their friends directly after the lecturer related to the materials and assignment. And they also think that direct explanation from the teacher makes them easy to understand the materials. And the last is, of course, they will never have the internet connection problem when they study in the class. And for the explanations, we can conclude that the students agree if LMS has many benefits. They can easily download the file given by lecturer to help them study. The quiz feature in LMS can help the students to directly know the correct answer of the question given. So it can increase their motivation to study harder in order to be able to choose the correct answer. And besides all of the benefits, the students still prefer to study in the real classroom because they will be able to have direct interaction with their friends and also the lecturer. Therefore, the role of the lecturer itself cannot be replaced by the other platform. Thank you so much.
Well, I think that's all from us. We are pleased to have questions from you. Thank you.
See you.